Make a website with ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a website with ChatGPT. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to openai.com and you will land on this website right here. OpenAI has ChatGPT. ChatGPT is optimizing language model for dialogue. It interacts in a conversational way. It's an AI, and we have a dialogue format, which makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistake, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate questions. We can actually write blogs with ChatGPT, we can generate codes, and much more. So, with that, we can also make websites and apps using ChatGPT. So, that's what I will show you today. This is going to be a beginner's tutorial, and I'll show you how to get started. So, you're going to click on Try ChatGPT, and you need to create an account here. There is a free version available, and there is also an upgrade now for ChatGPT. So, you can get a free plan. Only the difference is the standard response speed and available when demand is low. So you can see ChatGPT Plus, you can get this one for $20 per month, and then you will be able to use everything and the faster response too. So once you create an account on ChatGPT, this is where you will land. You can see we have a new chat option here. We have all of the different options given here. We have examples and capabilities. So with ChatGPT, we can actually write different scripts and we can write codes for a website that we are creating. So in order to get started with this one, we need to have a website platform first, a hosting platform. Now, it totally depends on you if you're creating a website on Wix, if you're creating a website on WordPress or any other platform. So I am creating a website on WordPress. So for WordPress, I do have a hosting platform, but I need to get started and I'm working with codes here. So I will write the codes right here. And we also need to select our script first. If you want to go for a Python, if you want to go with a JavaScript or others. So let me give you a very quick example of how it will work. So this is just to give you an example and then we will get started. For instance, write a hello world code in JavaScript for WordPress. Now this is my command and now you will be able to see how ChatGPT works. And here we have our results. You can see we have a hello world code in JavaScript for WordPress. This is the code right here. Now, all I need to do is just copy the code from here and paste it on my WordPress. So that's how easy it is to write code with ChatGPT. And it also explained the code for me. That is actually one thing that I really like. Then we have to include this JavaScript in your WordPress so you can script in your themes. So this is for the theme as well. If you want to embed it in the theme, we also got the code here. I'm going to copy the code from here and paste it on my WordPress. So this is how it works. Now let's create a new chat. And the first thing that I'm going to do is actually write a site title. This is a very easy command. So let's start with that. Write a website title for an e-commerce website. Actually, let's go with write 10 website titles. So here we have different website titles. We have shopnow.com, buy with ease, your online marketplace, simply shop, mega mart. Then we have shopaholic, one stop shop, easy buyers, e-commerce emporium. So all of these different shop names. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the first one here. Now I have a website name. So this is actually a really easy command that I went with. Now I have created a website on WordPress with this name. I now want to create the coding. I need to get started. So the first code is the hello world code that we actually generated right here. I can copy and paste that one. And now I can write other codes such as writing and generating a theme. Let's actually do that. Generate a theme for WordPress. This way, it will also write a theme for you right here. It will give you the number of pages that you should have. After that, what I can do is I can actually ask it to write an HTTP, request in a JavaScript, and it will do that. So you can see it will write the HTTP in JavaScript for me for the website. And now I need to do is just copy code from here and then paste it to my website. This is how you can actually write codes with ChatGPT. When it comes to writing a website, if you're creating a website on Wix, then it becomes actually really easy. If you already have a template, you have selected a theme, now you're creating a website there. So how you can use ChatGPT for such kind of website? Here we can write, let's say if you have an e-commerce website, you will be able to write product descriptions with ChatGPT. You will be able to write introduction paragraphs for about me. If you have a portfolio website, you will be able to generate the text that you want to add. You can ask ChatGPT to even write the fonts for you, and that you can add that smartphone to your website. For instance, let me give you an example. Write a product description, and then I will add my product name. Here we have a product description. You can see I can very easily generate product descriptions if I have an e-commerce store. If you even have an affiliate marketing website, if you have a portfolio website, then you will be able to, of course, write anything. So we have a description here, which is pretty impressive, a very engaging description. Similarly, I can give this a very easy command, such as write a Google ad for the product. This is also really good for the promotion of our products. If you have any product website, if you have e-commerce website, then you will also be able to generate the ads. So you can see I went with write a Google ad for the product, and here I have the headline, we have a description, and I will be able to promote my products with ChatGPT. So we can give very easy commands and very simple commands to ChatGPT as well. Let's say I ask it to write a JavaScript for e-commerce website. Again, I went back to the coding. So you can see an e-commerce website requires a lot of JavaScript coding to handle various functionalities. Now keep this in mind, such as product listing. You need to generate a code for product listing, shopping cart management, payment processing, user authentication, and more. So here are some examples. For instance, a JavaScript for the products. We have name, product one, price, then we have description. We have this code right here for the products, and I can just copy the code and paste it wherever I want to. Similarly, we have different scripts, and we have different coding for a card management and payment processing. This is really important, and I can write different scripts and different codes right here with ChatGPT and copy and paste. It will also explain the code for me. You can see it's showing me how to create an item, and then how I can include the product price, description, and everything. We can also, when it comes to promotion of a product, and when it comes to confirmation emails, this is also important part. I can actually write confirmation email template and order templates with ChatGPT. So here I ask it to generate a confirmation email template. So here we have the answer, we have the subject, we have our whole template created that now I can use within my website. So this is like a basic example for you guys on how to get started with creating a website, and how ChatGPT will help you all with all of these different little things that we have. Similarly, you can generate any type of code, and you can, even if you're having trouble with a code, ChatGPT can fix it for you if you're creating a website. When it comes to creating themes and templates, it becomes like a little more difficult. If you actually understand coding, you will be able to understand how to generate a code using ChatGPT. As a complete beginner, if you want to go for a no coding website, then you can do that too. You can use ChatGPT for product descriptions, for the text that you will be using on the website, for website title, for the product descriptions, and much more. So ChatGPT helps us with creating a website for coding and non-coding websites. You can use the free version with ChatGPT, and you can also upgrade to the one which is for $20 per month and generate a website. Similarly, I will be able to write apps with ChatGPT, and then we can just now copy and paste. Again, I'm not showing you like everything. All you need to do is just, have a window open, and then you can first create the website here. You can generate the codes, paste it somewhere, and then you can use these codes on your website. If you're having trouble with that, ChatGPT will fix the code for you too. And then you can get started with a website and create a website with ChatGPT. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.